Can renters use smart security systems?
Yes, renters can absolutely use smart security systems. Many security solutions today are designed to be wireless and easy to install, with no drilling or hardwiring required. This means you can secure your rental without violating your lease agreement or making permanent changes to your living space.
What are renter-friendly smart security options?
Renter-friendly smart security options include wireless cameras, motion sensors, smart doorbells, and window alarms. These devices are typically battery-powered or plug into a standard outlet. Most can be set up using adhesive strips or screws that do not damage walls, making them easy to install and remove when you move out.
Do I need permission from my landlord?
You usually don't need permission for temporary non-invasive devices like standalone cameras or smart locks. However, you should check your lease agreement for any restrictions. If a device requires drilling, hardwiring, or replacing door hardware, always get your landlord's approval first to avoid possible lease violations.
How can I secure my apartment without permanent installation?
Focus on wireless and adhesive-based devices for quick damage-free setup. Consider window and door sensors, portable alarms, and smart plugs for added control. Place cameras on shelves or tables facing entry points. Use peel and stick sensors near windows and doors for additional monitoring, all with setups that leave no mark.
What happens when I move out?
One of the biggest benefits is portability. Most renter-friendly smart devices can be easily removed without leaving damage. Simply uninstall your devices and take them with you to your next home. This flexibility allows you to invest in smart security without worrying about losing your setup or deposit.